Well, good evening, folks. Today on the Healing Bench we have this, a Columbus Model 90. Now this radio came to me from a customer who is looking to get it repaired. It has sentimental value to him. I believe it was his grandmother's radio. So we're going to do what we have to do to make it work. So on first look, it looks pretty complete. I've removed this valve shield and this one here just to see what was under, and also the magic eye goes in here. So apart from a whole heap of dust and dirt on the top, it doesn't look too bad. Certainly plenty there to work with. Now, according to the customer, this radio was working fine and then just suddenly stopped. So that makes me think something has failed. Probably capacitors, hopefully not this. Although, looking at that, it looks like at some point that has been replaced. Interesting. So let's have a quick look at the underside. Okay, well, we have lots of very leaky looking electrolytic capacitors, some waxies, a knot in the power cord. Looks like somebody's been in here not that long ago. Put in a couple of filter caps, 3-wire mains cord. That filter cap looks like it's well past its use by date. These ones certainly are. Look at all that gunk. Yuck. More yuck. And more yuck. So plenty of work to do in here. It all looks pretty complete. Now I was looking at the tube lineup for this model, and I'm not sure we've got everything we need in here. This tube here is anonymous, and it looks like from the shiny base that it's been replaced recently. This one doesn't appear to have any markings on it, I don't think, unless that is. Let me pop it out, let's see. Oh yeah, we've got something there. That is a, don't know if you can see that. I doubt it because I can't. Get the light just right. (6K8G). Okay. Just pop that back in there. On this one we have EBF32. Well, that's not going to be right. Another mystery valve here. This is supposed to be a 6F6, so maybe it is, maybe it isn't. And we have a 5Y3 here, so that's correct. And of course up here is the 6U5 magic eye, which is over here. That's this guy here. Hopefully that's okay. They do go dim with age, but hopefully that one has survived. So I think we will start by having a good clean. Let me see, what's that cap down in there? 450 volt, 16 microfarad. Okay, and another one in there. And it looks like there might be another one there as well. They will all need to be changed without doubt. For anyone who's interested, there is that tag and then the model plate, serial number. they're in nice condition. And of course we've got the antenna leads here. And that is your speaker and B plus to the field coil. Speaking of the field coil, here's the speaker over here. And it looks like it is the original, which is pretty cool. And you can see the field coil there. So that's nice. Overall the cabinet is filthy, but not too bad, I guess. You can see where all that yucky gunk has leaked out from the capacitors. It's stained the shelf underneath the chassis. We'll clean that up. Condition on the top. Usual patina of age. It's not too bad. Front is pretty good though. Speaker cloth is really nice. Can't really complain about that. Sides are good. The other one's about the same. So overall, yeah, not too bad. All the original knobs, a couple of original felt washers. Let's see. Columbus logo. So, hopefully we will get this puppy up and running reasonably soon. I'll bring you back when I've done a bit of cleaning and found out what we need to order.